Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we would like to present about Baju.co company.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aida Fasihah binti Cik Johar, matric number A1AA0517. I will present about company background. Our business name is Baju.co. In this business, we sell various types of clothes which is suitable for all generation. We started our business on December 5, 2017 and the location is at Kota Baru, Kelantan. We choose Kota Baru as our location because Kota Baru is the focus area that will visited by Kelantanese if they won't find their needs. For business operation time, Baju.co has been operating from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. for every Tuesday to Sunday. We choose to be holiday on Monday because if the employees need to settle something with government sector, so they can do on that day without taking a leave. Then number of employees. Baju.co have 6 employees, which is 1 male and 5 female workers to run the business. Every workers have their own tasks and responsibilities. After that, mission and vision. Our mission is to be a successful retail store, while our vision is customer satisfaction is worthless, customer loyalty is priceless. We also have our own trademark like other businesses. Our trademark is low price but tip-top quality. Next type of business. Baju.co is a partnership business because we have more than one member to open the business. We choose to be a partnership business because to open this business, we need a large capital. So by this way, it can help to solve the capital problem because all members need to contribute for the capital in the business. Besides, it also can help to solve the existing problem. If we have some problem in the business, all members can try to settle it together and also easy to analyze the idea because all members will give their own opinion. Okay, then using this type of business also can improve our skills. Every members are willing to share their knowledge to increase the business of Baju.co. Then type of product or business run. Baju.co is a shopping product because customer need to do some research first before buying the items. For example, they will look at the available design and colors. They normally will choose the light color to make purchases. Then, not only that, customer also will look at the price and quality for each item. Baju.co provide an affordable price even the items quality are high quality.
How to run a business during MCO? Before the pandemic, Baju.co had conducted a business as a physical store. But after the government had announced about movement control order, which is MCO, everyone needs to control the social distancing and all the existing business that had been run need to follow the government policies to close the physical store. Baju.co take an opportunity to still operating but as an online seller and conduct the business through online platform. Target market, Baju.co not specific and focusing to selling the clothes to their target place only, but Baju.co also target to all people that love the clothes that have a branded name with high quality material but offer the lower and reasonable price. Baju.co are considered to the income of the customer. Hence, Baju.co serve the lower price of clothes that all of people can buy it with the reasonable price. Next is before the pandemic, people around Kota Baru that love to be stylish and always care about their appearance, especially all kind of generation being a target market of Baju.co. But after the MCO had announced, Baju.co target already changed for selling and focusing only for the young generation because almost all of the young generation can be adapting with online platform and can using online surfing internet.
My name is Nur Fatini Farisah binti Abu Samah, matric number A1AA0573. Today, I would like to present about promotion strategy that we use for our business. One of our promotion strategy is we make a promotion using social media. We are using like Facebook, Instagram, Shopee Live, and so on. We also making a live video to interacting with our customer. So they have the opportunity to ask about the clothes directly to us. Second promotion strategy is doing event online. Holding an event in our boutique is another effective marketing technique. But during this pandemic, we are not allowed to go out. So, to replace the promotion in the boutique, we make a promotion in certain days, such as say in 11/11, which is the customer need to join our live and we provide some activity to find a winner that make a customer can got a sale or free clothes from us. The example of activity that we use is the customer can share the most of our page, so the winner can got a free clothes from us. Then we also use artists and influencers to promote our business. Next way to promote our product that are proven to increase sale volume is to use support service from artists and influencers. So our boutique also use some influencer to promote our clothes by making a paid review. We provide some clothes for them to make a promotion. This platform is one of the best platform to increase sale because most of consumers they like to follow what the influencer and artists wear. Lastly, we using Lalamove for delivery. Besides, we also offer on-demand and same-day delivery service. We collaborate with Lalamove digital platform that meet on-demand delivery by matching delivery request with Lalamove shipping partner. So, the customer will have the opportunity to get their clothes within a day or 2 days depend on the area.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nurul Fatihah binti Amran, matric number A1880710. So today, I will present about positioning and segmenting strategies. Three basic market segment, which is geographic segment, demographic segment, and physiographic segment. First, geographical factors. Baju.co is located in the city of Kota Baru, Kelantan. Kelantan is a very strategic location to run our business, where many customers and people around the city can be found to buy our product. Next, the location of Baju.co is also easier for customer to get our product and service from us. But during MCO, we use various online platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to generate income and make it easier for individuals who want to buy clothes using gadget. Demographic factors. First, age. Every age can use our product because we provide various type of size from childhood to adult. Then, each individual can buy the product we provide and guarantee the quality of the product is very good and the price we provide also very reasonable. So, second, sex. Okay, these include men and women because all kind of people can be involved in our business. Not limited to any gender, men and women are allowed. This is because we provide children's clothes, men clothes, and women's clothes, so everyone can get the clothes. Religions. We market religion, which is not an important factor influencing our market because all religions and countries can use the product we provide. Lastly, income. In terms of income, no matter how high, medium, or low income, everyone can buy our product. This is because the product or clothes we sell are very high quality and guaranteed affordable for everyone. Lastly, psychographic factors. First, social class. The target market of Baju.co is teenagers, so the majority of teenagers are in the middle class, so it will not be a problem for them to buy our product because they are more adept at using gadget to get information on the internet. Second, lifestyle. So for lifestyle, teenagers prefer to be stylish and find affordable price. The majority of teenagers are more concerned with the trend. At the same time, they see good quality as well as affordable price. With this, baju.co is very suitable for teenagers because the clothes we sell are also according to the taste of teenagers nowadays.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present about my part exciting competitor, and the second is how to compete with competitor based on 4P exciting competitor. So we choose pusat pakaian hari-hari because it is close to our business and also that offer the same goods and service. Apart from that, pusat pakaian hari-hari also offer other items like toys, accessories and more. But nowadays, pusat pakaian hari-hari have more than 8 brands, all Malaysian. How to compete with competitor based on 4P. Firstly, for product, in terms of different in good, pusat pakaian hari-hari offer less quality clothing compare the baju.co, which is offer the best quality clothes. For example, baju.co which use 100% cotton material. Second is price. Price is the most important aspect that customer will see before buy or invest something. In terms of price, low price will attract the customer to buy. For the price, baju.co offer low price more than pusat pakaian hari-hari. The benefit of low price is customer can buy a more quantity of clothes. And the third is a place. A place that has a facility will be the focus of customer because a facility give advantage to customer. For a place, baju.co is located in strategic place, which is close the main road, and is also close the bus stop. And last but not least, is promotion. And the promotion conducted by baju.co is using official website, social media, television and radio. Compare the pusat pakaian hari-hari only use promotion by their official website and newspaper. But nowadays, promotion by newspaper less popular because today more focus on online platform. And that's all for me, and thank you.
I will present about the added value. All businesses was created to meet customer needs. There are several ways to increase customer loyalty and patronage. First is convenience. Every store should adequate their facilities for their customers. Baju.co can provide convenient environment to their customer, such as store design, chair for the customer who are waiting their friends or family, cleaning dressers room, and so on. Second is value received. Every customer wants a comparable price with the product that they buy. It doesn't matter if the price or service that they want is expensive, but the price is valuable and comparable with the product or services that they pay. Third is assortment of merchandise. First thing first that customer look before enter the store is assortment of merchandise. The arrangement of product or merchandise should be neat and always full at the shelf so that customer can easily grab their favorite things. Like baju.co, they can put their clothing in the rack or hanging around the store so that customer can look and choose clothing that they think are attractive. Fourth is service assortment. Baju.co is a clothing store. During this pandemic, everyone started to like shopping online. So Baju.co take this advantage to run their business using online platform. The reason why customer like to buy online is online platform is more cheaper than the physical store. Baju.co look this as advantage for us to start online platform because it can be easier for our customer to purchase online even though our physical store at Kota Baru is closed. How service assortment is related to this? When we want to proceed our customer parcel, we will use the best courier to post out our customer parcel to their house. Even though it will be more cost, but it doesn't matter unless our customer is happy with the parcel that they will receive more faster than the other courier. Fifth is experienced sales associate. Baju.co need an experienced staff to running their business. For example, to do business through an online platform, Baju.co need a skill to promote and market the clothing to the customer. With the help of experience or skills sales or our staff can increase our profit through online platform, even though we need to close our physical store. In a conclusion, pandemic COVID-19 is not a barrier for the businesses to start or carry on the business. This is because nowadays people like to selling or buying product and services through many platforms. Even business who does not have a physical store also can run the business or start a business. As an entrepreneur businesses, Baju.co does not slightly look this as disadvantage for our store because this is just a test for us to look how we take care our business wisely. Even Baju.co have a competitor, it does not make we to stop our business while using the marketing strategies like 4Ps to gain the profit by selling the high quality clothing whether through online or offline. That's all from me. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.